My name is Nathan. People call me Nate.
I'm not a morning person. A shot of espresso.
I am a fourth generation woodsman, which essentially means I work in the same woods that my great-grandpa worked in.
Frozen protein shake.
Like most woodsmen, I like solitude.
Alright.
But I suppose what makes me different is I like being with people more.
Yeah.
So, why don't you come hang out? Check out what I do.
Allergy pill. Just so I can breathe and not sneeze all day. Hear the baby waking up. I'm not the only one who works all day. My wife is a hero. Pro tip, always wear Crocs when you're driving to and from work.
Heavy equipment operating deep in the mountains of the Pacific Northwest. Some camping off the grid, and a few DIYs along the way. NatenessTV. It's just my life.